Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I have some amazing announcement for you. Euron is coming up with 10 different live courses for you. Whether it's a data science, whether it's a data analytics, big data, generative AI, MLOps, Python, almost all kinds of courses are available. Not only that, in future you will be getting almost all kinds of courses, whether it's a web development, whether it's a, let's say, separate computer vision, deep learning, data structure and algorithm. Okay, all kinds of courses would be available. As of now, Euron is coming up with 10 different live batch. You can see, okay, you can see business analytics mastery, then generative AI mastery. Now you can ask me why two courses, okay, in with the same name, because if you see here, it is having two versions. One is the Hindi version, another is the English version. Let's say if you're interested in Hindi, that time you can take the Hindi one. If you're interested in English, you can take the English one. Okay, like that. Some of the courses you can see it is having both version. Okay, but some of the courses actually it is only available for the English as of now. Going forward, we'll be also adding the Hindi version as well. Okay, and this is completely live batch, guys. Okay, if you want to see the course duration, it would be 4 to 5 months. Okay, only the full stack data science would be 6 to 7 month duration. Okay, so if you want to check the curriculum, so simply just click on the, let's say, course. Let's I will click here, and if I show you the course timing, this is the course timing starting date, and this is the timing of the course. And if you see the entire detailed curriculum, okay, you can go through the entire detailed curriculum, and even you can see the requirement as well. Even you can see the instructor actually who will be taking this particular course. Okay, so all the courses have the same template. Let's say you want to see the full stack data science, just try to click here. You can see the starting date, okay, and when would be your class timing, as well as the entire, okay, course syllabus. Okay, so like that, guys, you can check all the courses. Okay, let's say you want to take this business analytics mastery, you can check it out. Let's say you want to take the generative AI, you can check it out. You want to take the MLOps, you can check it out. Okay, so you can see the course price is like very affordable. It's like super affordable, guys. $24. Some of the courses actually you can see the $30 if it is a full stack. Okay, you can see it's a $30. But let's say you don't want to purchase this course separately. That time what you can do, you can take the Euron Plus subscription. So if you're taking the Euron Plus subscription, so you can access all the courses from the Euron site. Okay, not only courses, all the services, whether it's a project, books, okay, anything. Okay, anything you can access. Even you can also access the Euron assistant. Okay, so only 2,999 rupees per year. Okay, it's like super affordable. Just check it out. 1 year you can access all the courses from the Euron site. And if you are looking for any individual courses, that time you can click on the live courses and you can check it out. And all the link I'll be providing in my description. From there you can purchase. Okay, and also try to share with your friends and family, guys, because I believe they are also looking for this kinds of opportunity, so that they can also get to know these kinds of courses are coming. Okay, so yes, guys, this was the announcement from my side, because many people were asking, sir, I want to join the full stack data science, I want to join the generative AI, I want to join the MLOps, okay, live batches. Now the time is over and everything is available. So yes, guys, please check it out. Link would be mentioned in the description. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.